Hi all, today we are going to start a very new unit which is reporting and editing. It is a very important unit, like every unit is important, and likewise it is not a big unit, it is slightly lesser comparing to other units. So in this unit, our first topic that we are going to focus today is Introduction to Journalism and News. We are going to introduce like what is journalism or what is news, and we will get the basics clear. Okay. So first of all, we will begin with understanding what is journalism. Like, what is your definition about what is journalism? Just try to answer. Okay. So before we get into a formal definition, I want you to know about a very famous, very provocative definition that was given by George Orwell, and it is very famous, and I don't know if you have heard it before. So the definition goes like this: journalism is printing something that someone does not want printed. Everything else is public relations. So what is here it is implying? So George Orwell is saying that the journalism is in true sense is actually bringing out truth which the persons who is behind that doesn't want it to be their own news or want it to be printed. Like when it comes to like there are so many other ways of communication like press release, press conference, or any statement releasing. See, these are all a kind of communication just like what journalism is also. But the major difference is that are all like kind of controlled, like what the entity want to say, like what the organization want to say is only coming over there. But when it comes to journalism, they are proactively thinking and they are collecting information, gathering information, and then presenting it to the audience. So here some of the information might be threatening to that organization or any kind of organization, sometimes even the government. So the kind of thing that doesn't want to be printed is has to be printed. So that is what journalism is told by the George Orwell. So that is a kind of thing that we have to keep. So here it is talking about the relationship with the power, like how much of the organization will be trying to conceal or anything. So but there is a formal definition that we need to know, that a textbook kind of definition, the production and distribution of reports on the interaction of events, facts, ideas, and people that are the news of the day and that inform society at least some degree of accuracy. Okay, so this is the formal definition. I have just read it. So here two terms that you have to very much be careful is the production and distribution. Okay. In the case of journalism, what is happening is the journalists are going out and gathering information. They are not sitting somewhere and the information is not reaching them. They proactively do the work. They are doing active work, and then they are getting the piece of information that they want. So they write, they edit, they collect. So they are doing so much of work. And also here the other stressing point is some degree of accuracy. There is only some degree of accuracy. Do you believe that every news that you see on the in the television, in the phone, in the digital platform, is it true? Is it completely true what you are seeing on the internet? No, there is some kind of like misinformation, disinformation. There are so many other things also, but the journalists try to give the most important, like most accurate piece of information to the audience. So what are the key elements of journalism? As I told, it is the production, like they are actively gathering, and then there is distribution, because the distribution is very important because there are different kinds of newses, like not every news is to be read by everyone. So it should reach the target audience or the specific audience which is it is meant to be. And also the in the news what can be, there will be events, facts, ideas, and people, and also news of the day. What is news of the day? Like news of the day is that news that is very much relevant on that particular day, not yesterday's news. Yesterday's news is already an old news. So this is what are the key elements of journalism, and we need to understand the distinction between journalism and public relations. How is it different? Like how do you think that will be different? In the case of journalism, what they are trying to get is the information that they are trying to get is according to the public interest, like they want to get information according to that. But when it comes to public relations, it is very much structured, constructed, like what they want to say is already prepared, and then they are going to give out the information in a way that will not threaten the parent organization or any kind of entity or organization which doesn't want that kind of information out. So there is clear distinction between journalism and public relations. Now we will move on to who is a journalist. Like not exactly, we are not going to define this and this person is a journalist. I'm just talking about the etymology. What is etymology? Etymology is the from where this term is originating, like where the term journalistic has been came from. So the term journalist is actually a French word which is known as journal. I hope you guys have heard about journal. Maybe you guys are writing a journal. That